basically when I scroll this right here, this is the screen getting bigger, getting bigger, getting bigger. And the more size I have, boom, now you have the menu bar. When I scroll and shrink it, watch this, the hamburger menu, which is what you expect when your screen shrinks. You will learn how to do this thing from scratch. And watch this, you will learn how to toggle this thing, turn into like an iPhone 6 or 7, and see how your website will look like on the phone. Hi, my name is Nelly Sugu, and I want to welcome you again to Coding 0 to 100, where everyone can learn to code, even if you're total beginners or you already acquired some knowledge. My previous video, I was showing you what you can build in a month with me teaching you how to build websites and apps from scratch. I told you how you can build a portfolio website to help showcase what you're really good at, what you love, what you're passionate about. So today, I want to dive deeper. Okay, what's behind the curtain? And today I'm going to show you what is this portfolio things. What am I going to use? How am I going to build it? What technologies are behind this portfolio? As we build this portfolio, we're going to start with something called HTML. HTML is how every website in the world is laid out. When you open it in the browser, that's what you see. HTML is a bunch of tags. So when you take this class, you understand really what's behind the scenes. All that you are seeing here, basically understanding that this is an HTML, this is an HTML tag, what this head means, what this body means, what this section means, what this testimonial, what this projects, all these contacts, everything. You understand what everything means. Now, we'll also go in and talk about what we call CSS. That is cascading style sheet. And that is what makes this page look the way it does. For instance, when you look at right now, when you look at this line right here, you can see that the color is that color. Well, I wrote code to make that color look like that. So you will learn how you can set this thing to be black. You can see how it just changed to black. If I went here and took these things out and hit enter, this is what my page looks like with no styles whatsoever. This is an ugly page. Now, I'll go in and I put my styles back in my page. All of a sudden, it just looks like, oh my gosh, that's a beautiful page. This is CSS. We will learn about making websites mobile friendly. When you have websites that look really beautiful on the phone, on any screen, you can tell how basically when I scroll this right here, this is the screen getting bigger, getting bigger, getting bigger. And the more size I have, boom, now you have the menu bar. When I scroll and shrink it, watch this, the hamburger menu, which is what you expect when your screen shrinks. You will learn how to do this thing from scratch. And watch this, you will learn how to toggle this thing, turn into like an iPhone 6 or 7, and see how your website will look like on the phone. And this is what your clients are going to be looking for. We will make our pages look fantastic on mobile devices and every other small screens. We'll talk about media queries, we'll talk about flex boxes, and we'll talk about everything that has to do with styling a page. Now you're looking at this like, Nelly, how did you get it to go to like nellysugu.com? Like, how can I have a website that says myname.com? Simplest thing, simple. I will make it clear that it's not crazy, complicated stuff. If you're interested in learning how to build websites and apps from scratch, I'm your guy. Tune up to Coding 0 to 100, and I'm taking students. If you go to Coding ZeroTo100.com, www.coding0to100.com. If you go here, you can go and sign up for one of my classes. And I'm telling you, man, I've put a lot of thought, a lot of passion into this. All you got to do is just go here and click Learn with Us, and you go sign up. Tell me a little bit about yourself, and I will send you some more information, and we'll get on the phone. I'll get to know more about you. And in February, me and you, we're going to build this thing from scratch. I'm excited. And if you're excited, reach out to me. Let me know. And comment, share. If you know anybody that might really be interested in these websites and apps, tell them to follow, to subscribe on this channel, because I'm going to be dropping some really things that can get you started.